everybody, Aaron Zamso from FireRescueFitness.com. I know right now a lot of us are scrambling for ways that we can do workouts at home and be a little bit more versatile and be a little bit more open to new workout techniques and new workout exercises. So today what I wanted to do is show you how you can create a suspension training system at home using some dog leashes. Now in the past, if you've seen any one of my other videos, I showed you how to create a little bit of a suspension training or body weight training system using 2 sheets. I also showed you how to use some webbing, which you can find around most firehouses and can be used for a lot of utility things. So today I just was walking my dog the other day, and I know that most people have 6 or 8 foot dog leashes that have handles already made on one side, like so. So what I just wanted to get you to think about was, all right, if I take 2 8-foot dog leashes, the ends of them, and tie them together, and make sure that a knot is equidistant from the handles, and that sometimes takes a little bit of manipulating from one side to the next to make sure your handles line up. But right now you have another real quick, easy, efficient way to do body weight training, and you already have the handle set for you. So that's just another option. And again, the reason I'm giving you all this stuff is that I want you to make sure you understand now it's really, really essential that we as first responders, we as moms and dads, stay really, really healthy and don't use the excuse that, hey, I don't have my gym, so I can't work out. Now's the time to set the good example. Now is the time to make sure you take care of yourselves. And this is just another way to do that. So again, you got blankets that you can use for suspension. You have webbing that you can use. And now just take everyday things that are around your house, like dog leashes, and use them as a suspension training system for at-home work. Now, if you're looking for a complete program, I got you covered. FRF, Fire Rescue Fitness, we've created a Get FRF in 40 Days, our at-home workout version. It's got 4 different workout options. It's got 2 workout options that you can do just with body weight using actually regular blankets or the webbing that we were talking about. And then if you have some light dumbbells or even heavy dumbbells at home, I have some workout options for you as well. It's free of charge. I am trying to help you out as much as I can, give back as much as I can. I know that right now as first responders, look, I feel it, I see it, I live it. I know the stress that you're under, so any way I can give back to you and help you out, the better. So if you look at this video, if you're on Facebook or if you're on YouTube, there should be a link down below for it. Facebook, there should be something either in the comments or listed right next to it. Again, no excuses. Let me know how else I can help you get and stay fit for duty during this time.